This dance starts with weight on your left. It starts out with 2 quarter turn chugs. The step sheet says you can style this by kicking your right hip out and or flicking your wrists out at hip level on the first count of each chug. So we start out first quarter turn chug, second quarter turn chug, and you're going to go into a lock step with a scuff at the end into a rocking chair. Then you're going to do a quarter turn with your left, recover on your right, cross over, step out on your right. You're going to step that left back at about 7:30, hitch the right up, step forward, do a quarter turn with your left, step back on your right, hitch with your left, bring that left back down, do a sweep with your right into a weave, and then a quarter turn with your left, step the right forward, do a pivot, and then a walk, walk. Or you can do a full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.